Up for sale, 1962 Pontiac Bonneville. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 1962 Pontiac Bonneville convertible with its number matching 389, now with a tri-power on it. I do have the original intake carb and air cleaner for the original 389, of course. It's finished in factory colors, 34,500 original miles, turbo Hydramatic automatic, power steering, power brakes, and power top. And as you know, walk around it, point out some things that I see. We'll fire it up and then we'll drive it. So here we go. Both bumpers have been fully re-chromed and are in really nice condition, as you can see here, as well as the I guess the bezels for the lights, the grill, beautiful, pretty much everything. But aside from that, the hood fitment is super nice, as it's supposed to be. Again, being a car that's a low miles, you know, you don't have to really disassemble the whole thing if you don't want to. So if they did do that, putting it back together did a fantastic job. And again, being all original sheet metal, of course, everything's going to line up as it should. It's got factory 8-lug wheels on it, as you see there with the white wall tire. Pop the engine for you real quick. All right, here we go. The number matching 389. Excellent engine compartment here. I mean, the firewall to the engine to the fender wells, this, everything, even the nice little caution sticker on there. Nice detail and attention to detail. Power steering and the power brakes, as you see there. Under hood, also really nice with the hood insulation on it, as well as like brackets. Again, really nice attention to detail. And we'll keep going down the driver's side of the car. There are not too many flaws on the car. It's a very high quality paint. I know there's one little stone chip down there, and I just saw it. There's a little mark in the paint right in the corner there. This piece of trim on the car, this is definitely original and actually in very nice condition. There's no cracks on the dash, and no cracks, of course, in the glass. Open. As you see there, nicely painted with the original VIN tag in place. It's got its original leather bucket seats in it, now being 34,500 original miles, of course. You know, light wear on them. As you see, there's no rips, no tears on them. And, you know, well, why would you replace something that's so good quality, original, with something, you know, Chinese vinyl? So they left them in the car, and actually look pretty good. Same deal with the back seats, and the back seats actually look really nice. So we'll go to the dash here. Nice stainless wood grain, more than likely original to the car. You see the 34548. It also has excellent carpet in there with nice vintage Pontiac mats, and it's got tilt, as you see here, as I'm tilting it. It's pretty cool. Rear carpet mats as well, and the super nice back seat. And you see the inners of the top, those top frame mechanics and all that, that's been redone, as well as the new top. Oh, let me grab the key real quick for the trunk, because I'll show you something super cool about it. If I can pull the thing out, there you go. Back bumper, just like the front, it's been re-chromed and is in excellent condition, as well as the trim back here, which, as you see, is super nice. Trunk lid fitment. Is as it's supposed to be, as well as this stainless, and this being very nice as well. Even down there. And of course, being the replacement top plastic in the window is nice. Not yellowed, not marked up. Let's open the trunk. First off, super nice attention to detail in here. You got your Pontiac boot, or your convertible top boot. Your finished trunk with the 2 mats and the cardboard kit on both sides. PHS docks and a little more paperwork that I'll show you. Nice attention to detail and high quality finish in this trunk jamb here, with the weather stripping and all, as well as the under trunk lid with the working dome light, and even, like, I guess if you want to call this the insulation, super nice. Spare tire with the sleeve that goes over it. You got your PHS docks here. Everybody loves that. Sold new in Brooklyn, New York. However, I also have a Protecto plate, not for this 62 Pontiac, but for a 62 Pontiac. I guess it's just included, so I'm passing it along. For this one being sold in California. Chassis shop manual and a old advertisement for the car, or a car 62. So we'll keep going. Oh no, excuse me, I almost forgot. One of the coolest parts of the car is this high quality finish in this rear trunk section there. I mean, you see the tool kit there, the jack instructions. I mean, look at the metal on that. That's pristine, showing its high quality, not just finish, but low mileage of the car. So we'll keep going down. Again, as you're saying, there's not too many flaws, because there's really not too many flaws on the car. Like I said, if I even said it before, it was 11-year ownership, and the guy seemed to have babied it. I am noticing there is a little touch-up right on the corner of the door, though. Sometimes you can't avoid that. Hop in here. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. 62 Pontiac Bonneville convertible, number matching 389, now with tri-power, but also intake and carb and air cleaner from the original 389. included. Finished in factory colors, which is cameo ivory with black leather interior, bucket seats and console, and the factory tack down there. Hydramatic automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, and power top. I see a little touch-up down there again. 34,500 original miles, and again, you'll see it in the pictures, the underneath. Eat off of it, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, for sure. 8-lug rims as well. So, we're getting to the point where we're going to fire it up and then take it for a little drive. Thank you. All right, here we go. We're going to fire it up. No, leave it down. I'll take the pictures with it down.